All right, we got an iPad 6th gen from a customer. This is from another store. They said they changed the charging port on this one. It was working fine. Battery went flat and it didn't charge after that. They didn't test anything else. So what we're going to do, we're going to test, the first thing we're going to test is test the charging section, is it okay or not. So we're going to test that with this device over here. So we're gonna zoom in. Okay, so this one is showing is fail. So let's see if it's one or two line fail. I don't worry about that. If it's all fail, then we need to change the IC. Yeah, they all fail. So we just need to change the IC. In that case, we just need to open and change the charging IC for this. All right, let's look under the microscope how this one looks like. Over here, that's an end, which is really on good spot. Actually, I never noticed before, because if you need to change it or something, there's no big ICs next to it. This is the CPU, this is the power IC, this is the backlight circuit, this is the touch ICs, this is the Wi-Fi. All right, it means it should be hiding here. See over here, this must be the charging thingy. Okay, charging IC for 6466666. Okay, that's the number of this IC is 610A3B, which is same as a 7 plus. Okay, let's get the IC first. Alrighty, so let's take it off. It is better to cover this section over here and actually this section here too. Let's take off the IC. So we're gonna hold it and we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds is more than enough. More than enough. Okay, new IC on place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. So we're gonna increase the air now. And we're gonna put some more flux. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enough. Enough. Okay, so let's go on to the top view. We just need to bend this one back in for the plate. Okay, before that, we're gonna do two things. The first thing is we're going to do is over here. Before, this one gave us false report, like everything is false. So now we're gonna check it again if it's improved or not. This is the first thing we're going to do, yeah? The second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check the voltage on the battery, because the battery is dead. Maybe it is below 3.6 and it will not turn on, so it's better to boost up the battery. Okay, battery is, yeah, it is dead, which means we can boost it up. I have put the DC power supply to 4.4. You can see on the top left. Okay, it's taking 4 amp, which means the battery is really dead. And in the meantime, we're testing the Tristar if it's giving us any error or not. Okay, we're gonna keep pushing the amps until it goes to 1.8 or 1.9. And in the meantime, we're just gonna get the result from here. Let's zoom in over here a little bit. Tristar battery is missing because it is disconnected anyway. We click OK. Fail is no problem, but how many? Only one is fail, everything else is pass, which means it's still okay. Which means the IC is good. Just need more amp.